Hi everyone, I'm Liam Eagle. I'm the editor here at the WHIR, and I am here in our offices in Toronto, just having returned from San Jose, California, where we just held another one of our WHIR networking events at a little place called Fahrenheit Lounge. Now, as I understand it, Fahrenheit is a thing that Americans use to describe the temperature of things. So you'll just have to trust me on that. We had a great turnout, and probably as a result of that, we had a great time. Of course, we had a few sponsors that made it possible, and during the event, I pulled them aside and asked them a few questions about their businesses, what's new in their businesses, and what's some of the cool things they're seeing lately, and I got some really interesting answers from that. So I'm going to take you over to the party, and I'm going to show you some of those videos. So let's head over there now.
So the traditional credit card processing function is just basically you're babysitting a pipeline, a conduit to Visa and MasterCard. We're not bankers at Lytle, we're a bunch of direct marketing people. We figured out how to tap payment intelligence because we have a unique view into our clients' customers and how they use credit cards and other forms of payment. We can tap that payment intelligence and utilize it in unique services with our clients to help them market smarter for their customers. And in the end, it helps them build revenue because they capture more sales and they just provide a service that's more consumer friendly. So we're more like a consultative, proactive partner as opposed to just some necessary evil commodity payment processing. It's a whole different approach to payments. We can track what we call affluence. So a certain percentage of all credit card customers are affluent. And there's actually two subcategories. One is affluent and they spend a lot of money. Money in, money out, or you have affluency and they're savers, all right? But I could tell GoDaddy, for example, I could tell them, hey, here's the 10% of your customers that are the most affluent. And if you want to, you could promote upsells, you could promote a deluxe package. If you have a new offering that's going to be a lot more expensive but more feature rich, here's the people that are most likely to have the disposable income to be able to purchase that service.
Hosting service provider partners like OpenExchange because when they sell a hosting package, they tend to give away some kind of email under the domain so that the users can actually send and receive email with the domain that the customers just purchased. With the OpenExchange interface, they can also have a network address book, a calendaring, and several interfaces to a few social networking sites such as Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn. And as an example, they can import contacts from LinkedIn directly into the OpenExchange interface. In addition, what our email and webmail tends to do is it allows the hosting service providers to actually generate revenue with it. So it's not something that they just have to give away for free, it's something that actually sell and can make money with. So the in-application upsell module that we have built into and native to OpenExchange allows the hosting service provider to actually sell and make more money with something they initially give away for free. So it becomes something that actually is from a cost center to a revenue generating product. And that's probably the biggest thing that they like about our technology.
Sure. So Black Lotus and NS Focus. We use NS Focus technology in the Black Lotus network as part of our holistic availability security ecosystem. NS Focus has excelled in delivering on-premise DDoS mitigation technology, and they really understand the service provider aspect of availability security.
And we're very proud of being one of the partners of Black Lotus. And right now we're in the process of introducing a whole new series of the entry-level on-premise solutions that will enable the enterprise level of customers to put in the on-premise appliances. This will significantly reduce the level of latency. And together with Black Lotus service, we can have end-to-end anti-DDoS protections.
Okay, yeah, so eOnline Data has just released our new short application for our API integration partners. It's just 12 fields long, which is the shortest merchant account application, second to PayPal. So what it really allows us to do is provide our partners with a more streamlined application process, which makes the entire boarding process for the merchant seamless, really. So we can collect all the information when the customer is actually signing up for your core product and transpose that information onto a new incomplete app with all their information already filled out. So the merchant really just has to complete 4 to 5 additional questions and they can be processing in the same day.
With Office 365, but what we're more excited about than ever is that we've launched Plus 11 back in early July, and we're on track for record deployments in terms of number of servers at this time in the launch phase. And Plus 11 is delivering some great value to our hosting partners, easier to deploy than ever before. We just think that it's the right place to be with the right product to deliver to the customers. Good value in terms of the hosting world, what they want to deliver, web services, web apps, good solid web presence builder, basic email, the things that hosters need to deliver to their partners, simpler, easier, more solid than ever before.
Well, that's about it for the video. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. And of course, I'd like to thank everyone who came out for making it a great party. Again, I would like to thank our sponsors for making it possible in the first place. Very importantly, I would like to invite all of you to come out to one of our future events. We've got 3 more left in 2012. We've got one in Phoenix in September, in New York City in October, in November in Raleigh, and we'll be back next year with a whole bunch more events. We're going back to Europe again, so please check the WHIR.com, click the WHIR events button, and just look at our agenda, see if there's going to be one near you or somewhere where you're going to be. We'd love to see you. Thanks again, and goodbye. You don't really see this on the other side. It's like a special water container for like pro sports. I use it for my pro sports work. Like when I'm professionally playing sports for my job.